Hey guys, what's up? I am back with the brand new video and it's time to do a battery charging test between the Realme 8 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy A52. And guys, and the Samsung Galaxy A52 is costing around 58,000 PKR in Pakistan market, while the Realme 8 Pro is costing around 48,000 PKR in Pakistan market. And guys, and both phones has a 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. And yes, I already did the battery charging test of the Samsung Galaxy A52, but I did that with the 25 watt super fast charging. In the box we get a 15 watt fast charging, and guys, and both phones has a 4500 mAh battery size. We have a 15 watt fast charging on the Samsung Galaxy A52, while on the Realme 8 Pro we have a 50 watt super dark charging. And guys, in this video I'm going to show you how much time is required to fully charge this phone from 0% to 100% right now. And the battery percentage on both these two devices, it is at 0%. No battery use on this phone right now. And the battery percentage on the Realme 8 Pro, it is at 0%. So first let me show you the charger and the cable is that you're getting with the Realme 8 Pro as well as the Samsung Galaxy A52 right out the box. So guys, here is the box of the A52 and here is the box of the Realme 8 Pro, and you can see. So now let's open this box. And guys, on the Samsung Galaxy A52, and you can see we get a charger, and guys, and you can see it says that it is an adaptive fast charging. Now let's see the ampere rating, and this is a 9 volt with a 1.67 ampere, and this is a 15 watt adapter. And also we get a USB Type-C cable. As you can see, we get a USB Type-C cable with the Samsung Galaxy A52, and you can see USB Type-C to USB-A. So, and guys, you can see that we does not have any headphones with the Samsung Galaxy A52. So now let's see the Realme 8 Pro box. So guys, here is the box of the Realme 8 Pro, and you can see. So now let's quickly open this box. And guys, again we have a 4500 mAh battery size on this phone, but we get a 50 watts super dark charging on the Realme 8 Pro, and you can see here is a charging adapter. So guys, now let's see the ampere rating on this adapter, and you can see, and guys, it says that, and this is a 10 volt with a 6.5 ampere, and guys, and this is a 65 watt adapter, but the Realme 8 Pro maximum support 50 watt super dark charging. Let me show you, and you can see it says that we have a 50 watt super dark charging, but we get 65 watt adapter with the Realme 8 Pro, and that's a very good thing as well. And guys, we also get a USB Type-C cable with the Realme 8 Pro, and you can see. And we get a USB Type-C to USB-A cable, and you can see we does not have any USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable with the A52 as well as with the Realme 8 Pro. Now let's put all these things to the side. Now let's quickly start the test. And guys, here is the Realme 8 Pro as well as the Samsung Galaxy A52 again, and the battery percentage on both these two devices, it is at 0%. And also, and the one thing it is also really important is that the battery charging speed will be depend on your environment temperature as well as your phone temperature. If the temperature is high, and the battery charging speed will be slow. If the temperature is normal or low, and the battery charging speed will be fast. And guys, and without any wasting time, now let's quickly start the test. And first, now let's insert the cable into the A52 adapter. Again, we have a 15 watt fast charging with the Samsung Galaxy A52, and here is the adapter of the Realme 8 Pro. Now let's insert the USB-A into the Realme 8 Pro adapter. Again, we have a 65 watt adapter with the Realme 8 Pro, but the Realme 8 Pro maximum support a 50 watt. And guys, again, here is the switchboard, and I insert the A52 adapter into the switchboard, and also on the power source it is also on. So now let's insert the adapter of the Realme 8 Pro into the switchboard as well. And guys, also right now, and the temperature in this room, it is about 30 degrees Celsius. So again, if you're charging this phone on in high temperature, and the result will be different. So guys, here is the adapter of the Realme 8 Pro. So now let's insert the cable into the Realme 8 Pro. Battery percentage, it is at 0%. And also guys, in the power source, it is also on. Guys, also now let's calculate the time on my Infinix Note 10 Pro. So now let's insert the cable like this, and now let's insert into the A52 as well. And now let's quickly start the test again, and you can see, and the Realme 8 Pro, it is automatically on when I insert the cable. So again, battery percentage on the A52, it is at 0%, and the Realme 8 Pro, it is on. So let me show you the battery percentage on the Realme 8 Pro as well, again 0%. And guys, the battery percentage on the Realme 8 Pro, it is at 2%, and now the battery percentage, it is 3%. And guys, here is a device. So now let's quickly on the Samsung Galaxy A52, because Realme 8 Pro, it is automatically on. Let me show the battery percentage, and you can see after about 2 minutes, and the battery percentage on the Realme 8 Pro is at 6%, and the battery charging speed is very fast on the Realme 8 Pro. Let me show you one thing. Now let's start this again, and then you will see the animation, and you can see now we can see the animation as well. First let me show you and you can see everything, it is off on both these two devices. Wi-Fi, location and Bluetooth, everything it is off on both these two devices, and also we does not have any SIM card on both these two devices as well. Again, we have a 15-watt fast charging on the Samsung Galaxy A52, while on the Realme 8 Pro we have a 50-watt super dash charging. So now I will be back after about 10 minutes. Now let's see that how much this phone is charged in 10 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back after 10 minutes of battery charging. Now let's see the battery percentage on the Realme 8 Pro, and as you can see that, and the battery percentage on the Realme 8 Pro, it is at 29%, while on the Samsung Galaxy A52 we have a 11% on the Samsung Galaxy A52, and you can see, and guys, and right from the start, and the battery charging, it is very fast on the Realme 8 Pro, which is obvious because we have a 50-watt super dash charge on the Realme 8 Pro. So guys, now I will be back after 20 minutes. Now let's see that how much this phone is charged after 9 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back after 20 minutes of battery charging. So now let's see the battery percentage on the Realme 8 Pro first. And guys, the battery percentage on the Realme 8 Pro, it is at 52%, and you can see, and guys, and this phone is charged about 52% in 20 minutes of battery charging, while on the Samsung Galaxy A52 we have a 22% battery, and you can see, and guys, on the Samsung Galaxy A52 it is not as fast as the Realme 8 Pro, and you can see even in the start, but you can see that, and the Realme 8 Pro, it is a super fast phone in terms of the battery charging. Now I will be back after half hour, exact 30 minutes. Now let's see that how much this phone is charged in the next 10 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back after 30 minutes of battery charging. Now let's see the battery percentage on the Realme 8 Pro first. And guys, and the battery percentage on the Realme 8 Pro, it is at 71%, while on the Samsung Galaxy A52 it is at 33%. So you can see that, and the Realme 8 Pro, it is almost completely charged, about 71% in 30 minutes of battery charging. So now I will be back after 40 minutes. Now let's see that how much this phone is charged in the next 10 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back after 40 minutes of battery charging. So now let's see the battery percentage on the Realme 8 Pro first. And guys, and the battery percentage on the Realme 8 Pro, it is at 90%, and you can see, and this phone is very close to 100%, while on the Samsung Galaxy A52 it is at 44%, and you can see, and guys, and the Samsung Galaxy A52 is charged about half in 40 minutes of battery charging, while the Realme 8 Pro is charged about 90% in 40 minutes, and you can see about 50% difference between these two devices. So now I will be back after when my Realme 8 Pro is hit 100% fully charged, because the Samsung Galaxy A52 it is far away from 100%. So now I will see when my Realme 8 Pro is hit 100% fully charged. Okay guys, I'm back again, and my Realme 8 Pro is hit 100% fully charged, and you can see in 56 minutes, but I have to say that this phone is hit 100% at 50 minutes. It says 100% charging, so I wait a little bit more, and guys, after 6 minutes, and this phone is hit 100% fully charged. So guys, now let's see the battery percentage on the Samsung Galaxy A52. And the Samsung Galaxy A52 it is at 63%, and also the A52 it is a more expensive phone as compared to the Realme 8 Pro. And now I will be back after when my Samsung Galaxy A52 is hit 100% fully charged. Okay guys, I'm back, and my Samsung Galaxy A52 is hit 100% fully charged in 1 hour and 40 minutes, and you can see, while the Realme 8 Pro is hit 100% at 56 minutes. So guys, overall I have to say, regarding the battery charging test between the Realme 8 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy A52, as you can see that in the start, and the Realme 8 Pro is a really fast phone in the battery charging speed as well as in the end. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Realme 8 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy A52. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.